This is experiment number 5, study of PI characteristic of LED using optical fiber between LED and power meter. So this is our setup for PI characteristic of LED. So this is our kit. This is power supply, one voltage to measure voltage, one multimeter used. This is used to measure current, and this is used for measure of power. And this is our optical fiber used to measure the power. We all know that optical signal is generated here. This signal is then supplied here to measure the power. Okay, so now we start the process to measure P and I. So again we require to measure V. We have to measure Vi, and to we multiply V into V and I to get electrical power. And if we multiply electrical power with 1.15, then we will get optical power. So first we measure Vi, and this is our optical power from with optical power meter, optical fiber. This is this reading is getting from the power meter, which is used for this we used optical fiber. After this we will again do this experiment to measure the power without optical fiber. Okay, now let's start. This is the first reading. This is 1.55 volt. It is voltage. This is current 0.34 milliampere, and this is our power minus 30.3 dBm. Okay, this power is measured in dBm. So I am putting this reading. I am putting here only 4 and 5, but you have to write all the readings. Okay, 0.34. This is in volt. This is in milliamps, and this is in dBm. This is minus 30.4. Okay, now I am changing the signal. This is 1.56 volt, 0.44 milliamps, and this is minus 28.8. This is suppose 1.59. This is 1.03. This is minus 23.7. This is 1.61. 1.64. This is minus 21.0. This is 1.70, 10.25. This is maximum reading hour, 1.81 volt. This is 28.2 milliamps, and this is minus 5.9. So this is our readings. I only took 6 readings here, but you have to write all the readings. Okay, so this is the experiment done with optical fiber.